Hello, the application that I built for this class is an English Vietnamese dictionary, and here is the app. So I will show you three main features of the application, and that was built based on the design idea that I have. The first feature is translating a word, and here I enter the word experience, and I can click on this to see its meaning. So it will show you the Vietnamese meaning and the English meaning and the synonyms also. So you can see here synonym and the English meaning. The second feature is the ability to group favorite word. So from here I go to menu and then I go to your works, and as you can see here, currently we have only one group, and now I want to create one more group. I click on the edit button and then I click on the plus button, and here you can see there is one more new tab, and then I just click done. And now I want to add one word into this new group. So I go back to the work experience and I click here, and then I click on new tab, and then I go back to your works, and you can see here we have new work, one new work into the new group. And the third feature is the suggestion, the word suggestion. So let's say now I forgot the word maybe, and I enter here maybe. Instead of the A, I put E. So you can see M-E-Y-B-E, and you can see the word suggestion on the left. And I can click on the word suggestion, and then I go to the correct word.